AMD's Zen 4 Ryzen 7000 chips are world's fastest. Coming in September, Zen 4's launch marks what could be the release of the new fastest gaming chip. AMD's new Zen 4 desktop CPU lineup is its first since supply chains have started clearing up. And now it's releasing in the middle of massive inflation. But that hasn't stopped Lisa Su from coming forward with what, on paper, is looking to be the world's new fastest set of gaming chips, at least until competition like Intel unveils its own next-generation lineup. AMD's Ryzen 7000 line of desktop processors will be the first desktop PC CPUs from any company that are based on a 5nm process. To be fair, AMD's initial lineup for its Ryzen 7000 desktop processors has been a bit of an open secret since the company accidentally leaked it in July. But Monday night's event officially unveiled the first 4 of the company's new desktop processors, provided pricing details, and confirmed that there's not going to be a strictly middle-of-the-road option at launch. Ryzen 5 7600X, 5nm process, 6 cores, 4.7 GHz base clock, 5.3 GHz boost clock, 38 MB cache, 105 WTDP. Price $299. Ryzen 7 7700X, 5nm process, 8 cores, 4.5 GHz base clock, 5.4 GHz boost clock, 40 MB cache, 105 WTDP. Price $399. Ryzen 9 7900X, 5nm process, 12 cores, 4.7 GHz base clock, 5.6 GHz boost clock, 76 MB cache, 170 WTDP. Price $549. Ryzen 9 7950X, 5nm process, 16 cores, 4.5 GHz base clock, 5.7 GHz boost clock, 80 MB cache, 170 WTDP. Price $699.